Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, I know it's been a really long time since I've uploaded, but I just started Influenster and I wanted to share with you guys my first unboxing of the System for Hair Professional hair products. I looked them up online and they do sell them at Ulta and they're about $30 to $40 per product. And this is the box that it came in. It says Influencer on it. It's got all of the brand information on the box and the pictures of their products. And so I'll quickly show you guys what I received. So this one here is the conditioner, and this one is the hydrate conditioner. The shampoo that I received is the gold one, and this is the repair shampoo. And then I also received the repair mask. So I guess different people receive different products. I'm super happy because when I gave my information for the snaps on the app, it asked if you want to repair your hair, if you want hydration, if you want color protection, and I vouched for the repair because obviously my hair needs some serious repair. If you guys don't know, my hair used to be past my knees when I was about 13, 14 years old, and then I got really into straightening it, and then it became sort of, the texture got more coarse, and it got more dry, and my scalp has always been dry, so I thought that these products would, potentially help with that. So I'm gonna just quickly review. I've used the products twice, all of the products during the same shower session, and I didn't use any other products before or after to treat my hair, just these three products. And what I do have to say, or what I have noticed, is that there was a huge change in fallout. So typically when I wash my hair, I'll get fallout, let's say, if there's even a way to quantify this, I'd say like maybe, well, not that much, but like maybe this much hair, but not super dense, will have fallen out throughout the process of taking a shower and washing my hair. But with these products, I actually noticed that I didn't get any hair fallout during the wash, which is really, really weird. It makes me think, what the hell is in those other products that could be causing fallout, And if you guys have been on my channel for a while, then you guys would know that I'm really into natural hair care. I do not use heating tools. I do not use blow dryers. I naturally dry my hair, so if it looks a little frizzy, your girl does not use any hair tools. So I'm all about preserving the hair as long as you can naturally. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. It didn't get my hair as smooth or like as frizz-free as I had hoped, but I did notice a difference in the texture. It feels very, very soft, so I'm super happy about that. I really liked the way that the shampoo, like the lather, feels really, really soft. It's not like it's hard to explain, but it's like a really, really soft lather, so it doesn't feel like it's like tearing away like all of that natural oil that's in your scalp and stuff. So overall, I would say that I really like these products so far. This is the second try that I've tried them, and the first time I really, really liked it. Like I said, both times that I took a shower and washed my hair with these products only, I noticed that there was absolutely no fallout. So I'm super happy about that. I'm going to continue to use them for maybe the next 2-3 weeks, and then I'll update with another video to let you guys know what the true tea is. So once again, I'll go ahead and show you guys the little box that it came in. So like I said, this is my first Influencer box, so I'm just very excited to receive it. And here on the box, you can see they have the different concerns, the different hair concerns. I can read them off to you. The first one is Color Save. They have the Repair, which is the gold, the blue, which is Hydrate, the lighter blue, which represents Volumize, a green color one that represents Balance for sensitive scalps, and a Smoothen, which is sort of like a lavenderish purple look. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, and I will make sure to create more frequent videos. I'm sorry that I took such a long reprise from YouTube. I recently started graduate school, and I'm studying epidemiology and biostatistics, which is very, very different than hair and hair reviewing, but since I will be going into summer very, very soon, I would like to start creating more videos and more content for you guys that you guys would like to see. So if you guys have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments. And if you did like this video, make sure to leave a huge thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel and you like the content, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button down below. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys very soon.